Hello, teacher, and hello, my dear friends. My name is Hannah from grade 6X. Today I'm gonna talk about rainforest, so let's start. So, first, we're gonna be talking about the different states of the rainforest. So, we have four different states of the rainforest. So the first one is the emergent layer, is the highest part with the tallest trees. There is a sunlight and wind bird. The next one is the canopy. It's formed by tops of trees that are 40 to 80 meters tall. The canopy covers the rainforest like a roof and collects most of the rainforest. The third one is the understory. It's the very hot and humid. There is a little sunlight and wind because of the canopy. The fifth one is the forest floor or the shrub level. The forest floor is dark and quiet. It covers with leaves, seeds, and branches that have fallen from the trees. The second topic we're gonna talk about is the animals in the rainforest. So the first animal we have, its name is anaconda. It is type of snakes. Appearance greenish brown, rows of black spots. Food, it eats animals. Abilities, smell with. It smells with its tongue. The second animal is toucan. Its type it's a bird. Its appearance is so colorful. It eats fruits, birds' eggs, and insects. It hops around on trees. I think we have finished our video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.